ballet, facing the center. Side, 2, 3, back and front. Sway, sway, brush, touch and touch. Step, back, 2, 3, step, full turn to the left, open and close it again. 1, 2, 3, back and front. Sway, sway, brush, touch and touch. Cross, 1, 2, 3. Step, 1, 2, 3. Open and close. Second part. Open, cross, 3 and 4. Move to the center, left, 2, 3. The same, outside, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. Cross and turn. Open and cross, and 1, 2, close. The last part of the dance, starting with the right foot, heel and 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel and 2, and the 1, turn to the left. Heel and 2, Changasia 3 and 4. Heel and 2, and the 1 and 2. Side, close, left, together, side, touch, full turn left. Repeat the dance from beginning.